Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set dark mode in the Brainly app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, then tap on settings, and then at the top we find theme, and here we can tap on night. And this is going to set it to dark mode. And also here we can set it to light mode or automatic. Automatic meaning that when it is day, it's in light mode, and when we are using the app during the night or after the sun went down, it goes to night mode. So yeah, that's I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll show you in the next one. I'll see you in the next one.